Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil light on a 2005 Acura MDX. The oil light currently is not on this, but I did some work and did an oil change, so I want to reset it just to make sure he's up to par and his light doesn't come off early. What you're going to do is you're going to hold down on both of these buttons and turn the key to the on position. Don't turn the car on, just turn the key to the on position, and then you'll hold that for about 10 seconds and it should reset. So you're gonna hold these two buttons down. I'm gonna try to do this real quick with the camera. Hold these two buttons down, turn the key twice, and then it'll come up and you'll see it come on, and then it should go off in just a second. There it goes, and it should be reset. So you can turn the car off, turn it back on, and away it goes.